Hello and welcome to Car Firm. Today we have our 2016 Jaguar F-Pace with us. This car has the 2-litre diesel engine with an automatic gearbox, and it drives really nice. You're at a very good seating position. You can see over the bonnet. You've got great visibility all around, and you've got great materials around you. You've got nice soft touch leather. You've got nice wood effect trims. You have all metal trims and stuff like that, so it just makes this cabin a very nice place to be in. And the car itself, I mean, we're on a very bumpy road at the moment, and the suspension actually works really well. However, this car still has the sporty characteristics, so suspension is quite a bit stiff, so therefore you do feel, quite a few things, bumps and stuff that's on the road. Even though it handles them really well, it still gives you that feedback. And when you want this car to be, in a dynamic mode, and you want it to, give out its performance, you kind of want the suspension to be that way. However, as a daily car, whether you're driving on the motorway, you're doing a school run, regardless of what you do with it, it's a very comfortable, safe, and a nice place to be. So this car has different driving modes. You've got rain, ice and snow, you've got eco, normal, and then you've got dynamic. So depending on which driving mode you're in, the characteristics of the vehicle change. So that's obviously down to acceleration, the steering wheel feedback, and obviously the gearbox as well. So while we're in eco mode, everything is very nice and relaxed. It's comfortable. The steering wheel is nice and light, so it's just very easy to use and very easy to drive. You can switch over to then the other side of the scale, which is dynamic, and at that point you feel the steering get a lot stiffer, the accelerator is a lot more sensitive, and the gearbox itself has a sport mode. So if you shift that across, you'll feel the gear drop instantly, so you're straight away one gear lower, and that makes a difference, because when you want to pick up the speed, the power is instantly there for you. And there we go, we're at 60 miles an hour already. So this car doesn't lack power at all. There's plenty of horsepower, there's plenty of torque, and even if you wanted to tow something with this car, you can do. The feedback from the steering wheel is actually really good, because the steering wheel is very direct, and you only have to turn it a little bit, and you do get good feedback from it as well. And in regards to the gearbox, it changes gears so well. I mean, even to a point almost like, unless you're doing a drop down in the gears, it feels like there's just one gear and it's just just carries on. Basically, the gear changes are very smooth. We're actually going to get onto the A1 now, and what we'll do is we'll pick up some speed up to 70 miles an hour and just have a cruise down the A1 for a couple of miles and see how that feels as well. There we go. You've also got manual gearbox as well, so you've got the flappy paddles on the steering wheel where you can change gears, and you've got yourself a 8-speed automatic gearbox. So when you're on the motorway, obviously you can't just leave it in drive and let the car do its job for you, because it's going to go up the highest gear possible anyway when you're at that speed, and it picks up speed no problem, like I said, and it's just a very comfortable place to be. Everything is very smooth. Soundproofing works really well. You can't hear much wind noise or anything like that. So this car drives really well. Everything about it works perfectly fine, and it's now available on our website. You can reserve it with a fully refundable £100, and we'll hold the car for you for 7 days. And we also offer very competitive finance packages, tailor-made mats and extended warranties. So if you have any questions regarding this vehicle, feel free to get in touch with us, and we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you.